This video will go over motion detection settings on the local interface of a Prime recorder. So go ahead and right-click with your mouse and select Menu. Once the menu comes up, select Record on the bottom left-hand corner. Go ahead and left-click that. This will bring you to the record schedule. As you can see, by default, Monday through Sunday is set to a continuous record schedule. So we'll go ahead and edit that, and we'll show you how to turn everything, all channels, and all cameras to motion. So leave it on all day, select motion, and then copy to all channels. Select OK. Now select apply, and then OK. So now everything turned green. Green is for motion in these Prime recorders here. Okay, now we'll do a custom schedule. So we'll go back to edit, and we'll uncheck all day, and it will now let us put in our custom fields. Okay, for this example, we'll do generic business hours. So we'll record motion after hours, and during business hours, we'll record continuous. So I have midnight to 6 a.m. motion. Then we'll have 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. continuous. And then we'll do 6 p.m. to midnight motion detection. Okay, so we'll go ahead and apply that. Select OK. As you can see, that's only for Monday, so I'll go back into Edit and we'll copy it to all channels. So go ahead and apply those settings, and then make sure motion detection is enabled for your cameras. So we'll go back to the main menu. Just put my pattern in here. We'll go to Camera, and then Motion. This is where we will enable motion detection. So make sure you have the box checked there. And then we'll go into Settings. These are some additional settings here, such as Trigger Channel, which will let you record multiple channels when one camera senses motion. Arming Schedule is the active time. Then we have Linkage Action. This will let you do things such as send emails and trigger alarm outputs. Then we have our sensitivity. The lower the number, the less it will record. The higher the number, the more it will record. Then we have our region. By default, the whole area is activated in the red grids. So we'll just go ahead and clear it and start fresh. Go ahead and left-click with your mouse and drag your grid. Go ahead and apply that, and then we'll demonstrate by putting my hand in front of the camera. You'll notice when my hand's in the picture, the grid will turn solid red. This is demonstrating that the motion is actually sensing something in the picture. Okay, and that's how you enable motion detection and set the motion schedule on a Prime Series recorder. Thank you for watching.